How to retrieve archive emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can retrieve the archive emails on Gmail. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, make sure you have updated the Gmail app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Gmail, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Gmail app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let me just go ahead and then archive a particular mail for the context of this video. The first mail over here from no reply, and it says from the 10:11 a.m. as you can see. So I will just go ahead and then long press on it, and I will archive it by tapping on this little archive button at the very top. Once archived, you can see one archive. Now in order to retrieve, you can undo it right away. However, if you miss that setting, and if I tap on the three dots, you can see that we don't have the option to go ahead and find the archive section. So how do we find archived mails? Well, you have to go to the all mail section over here. Once you go to all mail, not all mails over here are archived because these are simply mixed emails. So what you want to do is you have to locate the archive one. For example, as you can see, the first one we archived was no reply from 10:11 a.m. as I showed you earlier. So if I long press on it and if I want to retrieve it, I'll tap on the three dots over here, and I'll just select the option called move to inbox. Now that particular mail has been unarchived, but if I show you by selecting other one by refreshing it also, and if I long press on this one and tap on the three dots, you can see there is no move to inbox option. That is because this is not an archive mail. But I don't know why Gmail made it so complicated. You just have to look for the archive emails manually yourself. So as I archived this earlier, now I'm finding the option to go to inbox. And this is simply it. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.